There are several people who always look for these videos that are methods without a PC. If you're one of those people who wants a video without a PC, well, I recommend that. Watch it step by step so you don't miss any details, because also, we have a method using a PC, which we have included in the video description. In the first pinned comment, this device was reset, but it was left with that little padlock. It was left with the little padlock in the upper left part. What are we going to do to fix and recover this phone? We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network to fix this. Let's click here on Jump. We click on Skip and then we'll wait for it to take us to this other section. We click Jump again here, and now. What we're going to do is get to where everything appears to us. Okay, we're going to click here to accept. Accept and continue, and it would take us to that point, to that section. To that option where it lets us move forward now, because we are really the ones giving it our all here. The option that usually lets us get to the start doesn't appear either. But this time it's working for us because apart from that, that little padlock doesn't appear. That little padlock is appearing at the top and it's letting us move forward. Well, having said all that, if that's your case, we recommend that you watch this step-by-step video tutorial to the end too. It's also very important that you don't miss any details. Let me know if this method we're using has worked for you. Here we have that screen lock. Here it tells us. It says to use the Google account. Here's what will appear. This is what will show us the email and all that, but it doesn't let us get there. So, to start, what we're going to do is click back. Then what are you going to do? You're going to click here on Motorola, but we're not going to use the method we used to use. First we're going to use another method. We'll give it the last option and we'll go. Select here where it says motorola.com.com. Let's go back. It seems to have updated. Let's see, let's try Motorola again. Let's scroll down, click here on Privacy. We selected, click here, and it seems that Motorola has already updated everything. Everything has been updated, and we now see the same option as before. Let's see how we can get in here then. Let's see how we can get in. We'll click here on YouTube. Let's click here, let's click on this option. We're going to click here now, we're going to get there. What are we going to do here? We're going to give it to him several times here. Here and we double click here. Okay, let's click here where YouTube appears to see if we can click here. Click here, let's share it, let's do this several times. We click here on share several times and this error appears if you see this. This error persists until the icons are enabled here. Let's do it since we're going to do it again. We'll do this several times, don't worry, you want to solve it. Sometimes it usually works with 20, 30 options, even more, up to 50. It happened to me once on the 80th, or sometimes when what one does usually takes a long time. It involves restarting the phone until it gives us that error and enables the sharing option. This needs to be done, again and again. Again and again until we get that solution and that recovery. We're going to try again, we're going to try again. If it doesn't work, we restart it and try again. Let's do it, okay, let's restart it and come back again. Well, we've already tried it several times. We've been doing the same process for several minutes now until The option has already been enabled for us. As you can see, the option has already been enabled for us. Look, they still have the padlock on those. Unclear. People who suddenly say that this isn't real. It's totally real, but it usually takes a while. You have to be a little patient. With patience, you have to keep trying as we showed you. We restarted the phone. After I restarted it, it's been working again for about 5 minutes. I kept trying until it worked again on the restart. Now it worked. What are we going to do now? We're going to click here, we're going to click on Google Chrome, then we click here where it says, use 50 from Google, here we divide. No thanks, we'll delete this here, we'll delete this here, we'll write this now. You have to write exactly as it appears here on the screen, we'll tell you. Show will write exactly as it appears here on the screen. Missing. The P was missing here, now we'll write the P here, and if you can see that here this page appears here, they write exactly as shown, then select a. Once you're here, what you're going to do is give it where it says accept and continue, and you go to the last options. Here in the last options you will see this option to see more or load more. You're going to click on it. Go to the last option again, here you'll click again, it says load more. Now you're going to click on this little padlock that says apps or applications. What you're going to do is look for this screen lock that says BL and has this in green. You're going to select it, what are we going to do? Our phone has a screen lock. I don't remember what lock it has, I'm going to put a password here, a password. I'm going to put these 4 here. I'm going to place these letters 4 times. We're going to put that here, we're going to say yes. We say yes, we say click here. What are we going to do now? We're going to restart. We need to restart, we need to go back in time. Backwards, here now we move forwards. We click forward, we're going to click here to accept and continue. We are not going to restart the phone, we are not going to restart it at any time. Now it's going to ask us for that block, it's going to add the block that we just added. Be careful with that, then I'm adding the lock we just added, and now here. The padlock has now been completely removed. It has already been deleted, now you can add an account or create a new one. I'm going to click here on skip so this doesn't get any longer. So, what are you asking me for again? Are you going to add it again? You add the lock that you placed on it. You click here to cancel, you click cancel again, or you add your fingerprint. It's up to you, you click accept. You press OK, you wait a few seconds. You're going to wait, then it will take you to this section. You're going to click here to accept, you're going to click here on next. Next, click finish here. You should be fully recovered. Our cell phone the easiest way. And faster than it would be without needing to use a PC. A completely PC-free method. Let's wait here until it takes us to the start. It seems to have gotten stuck here on the screen. It seems to have stayed on the screen and is letting us in. It seems to be letting us in now. Let's turn it off here, let's turn it on. It seems that he's letting us in here. Come on, we can go in here, let's see, so what are we going to do? We're going to click here, we're going to click here on, we're going to reset. It looks like we can see the padlock again here, let's click on reset. We're going to add a screen lock. And we're going to reset it to here it is resetting. Now what we're going to do is wait for reset it and we'll configure it again. Now, here we can see that it now takes us directly to the home page. We can now configure it normally.